Hey there, Andie here. Wanted to do a quick training for you today on how to get leads from pictures that you post on Facebook. And this is without putting your link actually anywhere in the post. It's going to be in the image. I'm going to show you how to create these, and it's really, really simple. So I have pulled up here PowerPoint, which is a software to create slides, and I use it to actually create images. So here I've been doing a lot of videos lately on the law of attraction and how to focus your thoughts, and did a search on Google for the word focus and came up with this little saying, follow one course until successful. So what I want to do is I want to create this as an image on my fan page, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert my website link, and I would put a capture page or your blog depending on where you're trying to direct traffic. I'm going to put a link down here in this photo for my website right on this picture. So basically come up with what you want. You can put anything, and all you do is go insert and picture. So let's say you find a picture on Google, maybe of a quote from Jim Rohn or Anthony Robbins or wherever, whatever, a Bible verse, whatever you want. If you find a picture that really strikes you or that you like, just come over, pull up your PowerPoint software, and insert the picture. So what I did though is I did text here, and again I typed this in myself, and I just want to get my website put on here. So anytime you want to add text, all you do is come over here to insert and click on text box, and then you can draw out your little text box. And I'm going to put in my website, todayisyourday.ws, and I might change. You can mess around with the fonts. I mean, there's a ton of stuff that you can do. I have a favorite font that I like to use, so I'll go down to that. It's called Seago Print, and I got to make sure this fits in here. But you can change the font based on what your picture looks like. And see how this is really kind of really discreet down here at the bottom. I wouldn't make the link really huge, but there you have it. There's an image. I am going to change. I don't like this background, so I'm going to mess around with the colors. And again, this isn't a training on how to use PowerPoint, but that looks kind of cool, doesn't it? Now I can also mess with the font size if I wanted to make this bigger. I could, and you can move it around. I mean, there's just so much you can do. And now I gotta move this to kind of match. And again, I would spend some time messing around with this. Again, this isn't a training on PowerPoint, but you know what I'm going to do? I'm actually going to make this bigger. See what that looks like. I put some spaces in here to try and get the words underneath. I don't think I need to do this. I think this is going to work. See, I think this looks kind of cool. What do you guys think? Is that cool? I'm going to actually move this over just a little bit. We'll move it back. I'm trying to center this bottom thing just a little bit more. And if you want the letters to be right under the words, again, just play with it. Just play with it. So that looks kind of cool, I think. So then all you got to do is go up here to File, Save As, and save as, let's see, Other Formats. So click on Other Formats, and what it will do is it will allow you to select a JPEG or a PNG, whichever one you want. I always do JPEG. So say you want it to be a JPEG. I'm calling it Focus, and then say Save. Oh, I already have one called Focus. Let's just say Focus Example. And then it comes up and says, do you want to export every slide in the presentation or only the current? Well, I only have one, but I'll just say current. And there, now it is on my, I just saved it onto my computer. So then what we can do is come over here to my fan page. And again, I would try to use your fan page. If you have a personal page, that's fine, but I would, if you don't have a fan page, I would highly recommend one starting one, because what you can do is post it here on your fan page and then share it to your personal page. So you come over here to photo, video, upload photos and videos. Now I have to find it, which there it is, focus example. See? And I let me move this over so you can see. So there's the picture, and there's my website, very discreetly at the bottom. Then I say open, and now it's adding my photo here to my fan page. And then I would just write something. I might actually repeat what is in the picture. You don't have to, but you can even come up with whatever you want to add in here. That's it. And I wouldn't put your website, anything, because it's very discreetly in your picture. And then you just hit post. And there it is. It just says it added this picture. And we'll come down, and there it is. There's my picture. And now what's going to happen is I can do an ad to get more engagement on this picture. I might share it to my, I'm going to share it to my personal profile, because I think that looks pretty darn cool. So there's a lot you can do, a lot you can play with here. Alright, I'm just going to share it. So now it's on my personal profile as well. So not only will my fans see it on my fan page, but now I've shared it to my personal profile. So there you have it. It's that simple. Andie Petoskey here. I hope you like this tip. I actually am going to do a second video on how to generate leads through pictures on Facebook, and they're going to be clickable. So when somebody clicks on them, it's actually going to take them to whatever URL I want to. So that will be coming on the next video. Have a great day.